In this video, we'll solve some problems on simple pendulum. So first, let's just understand simple pendulum is a heavy mass hanging from a support with the help of a string. So the formula which we'll use for calculating the time period is t equal to pi root of L over g, where t is the time period, L is the length, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. So the factors on which time period does not depend is the mass of the pendulum and the amplitude. Okay, so as long as you keep the amplitude small, the time period is not affected by the amplitude. Also, it is not affected by how heavy the object is. The only factor on which it depends is the length of the simple pendulum and also the value of g, which depends on the planet where you are. So we are on planet Earth, so value of g will be taken as 9.8 meter per second square or 10 meter per second square. Now in this problem, they are telling us that the length is increased to 4L. So in the formula, we need to multiply the length by 4. You can see that there is a square root. The square root of 4 gives us 2. That means the time period will increase by a factor of 2. So if the length is made 4 times, time period will become double. Next, here we want to calculate the length of the pendulum. The time period is given to us as 4.89 seconds. We just use the formula and substitute the numbers into the formula. Now you can use the shift solve option on your calculator, equation solving, and put the numbers correctly with the radical and get the answer for length as 5.94 meter.